So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. In today's video, we're breaking down the best live streaming services for 2025. So if you're looking for the perfect cord cutting option, stick around because we're comparing YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, Sling TV, as well as DirecTV Stream. Now the comparison is going to be across 5 major categories. So price and free trial, channel lineup, user interface, DVR, and simultaneous streams along with user profiles. Out of these categories, we're going to give each service a rating from 1 to 10, and at the end we'll add those up and see who's the winner. So guys, for this video, I am strictly going off the details, the facts. I don't have a preference. I don't have a dog in this race. We're looking at the numbers and we're going to pick a winner in the end. Before we jump into it, let me know which service you picked to win and watch the video all the way till the end and let me know if I got it right. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So we're going to go ahead and kick this off with the price and free trial. Now, price is important, but also free trial gives you an opportunity to test drive these services, and that way you can decide if it's something you want to sign into long term. So let's start with YouTube TV. The price for YouTube TV is $82.99, which they recently raised their prices, but we've seen this along the different streaming platforms. As far as the trial, we're going to get a 7-day free trial with YouTube TV. Hulu Plus Live TV is going to be $82.99 as well, and also with a 7-day free trial. As far as Fubo, price starts at $84.99, and they do offer a 7-day free trial as well. Sling TV costs between $40 to $55 a month depending on the packages, and we'll get into that here in a little bit, but they rarely offer free trials, so that's going to be a negative for Sling. As far as DirecTV Stream, the price is a little bit higher, so it's $86.99 per month, and they do offer a 5-day free trial. YouTube TV is going to get an 8 out of 10. Hulu Plus Live TV also 8 out of 10. Fubo Live TV is a little bit more expensive, so I gave that a 7 out of 10. Sling TV gave it a 9 out of 10 just because of the pricing option. Again, you can start out with $45 a month, but we'll get into the limited channel lineup here in a little bit. As far as DirecTV Stream, I gave it a 6 out of 10. It's just more expensive than the other services, and the free trial is short. So winner for the first category is going to be Sling TV for its affordability. So next comparison is going to be the channel lineup. So if the channel variety is your priority, here's how they stack up. So YouTube TV is going to offer over 100 channels. This is going to include local channels, unlimited sports and news, and it has a nice mixture of everything. Hulu Plus Live TV is going to offer 90 plus channels, and it also includes sports, local TV as well, but it also comes with Hulu's on-demand library, which is a big plus for a lot of folks. Fubo TV, 170 plus channels. But what I found out is that this is really sports heavy, guys. It's got a lot of regional sports, but what I found is that you might not want all that sports. You might want other variety. What I like about Sling is that it's highly customizable. You have the basic plan, the Sling Orange, and you have the Sling Blue, and you put the Sling Orange plus Blue, and you get the best of both worlds. So I like what Sling is doing with their channel lineup. Now, DirecTV Stream is going to offer 75 to 140 channels, and this is also going to include regional sports. So as far as the scores, I gave YouTube TV an 8 out of 10, Hulu Plus Live TV 8 out of 10 as well. Fubo, I gave it a 7 out of 10. Sling TV, I gave it a 6 out of 10 just because it's somewhat limited. And DirecTV Stream, I also gave it 8 out of 10. Does have a nice mixture, but it also includes decent amount of sports. So the winner for this one is going to have a draw between YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and DirecTV Stream. All 3 services are going to offer a comprehensive lineup. Fubo scored lower because it's sports heavy and may not appeal to everyone. And of course, we know that Sling TV is really limited. So let's jump into the user interface, which can be somewhat subjective. So let me know in the comments for this area, do you agree or not? So YouTube TV, in my opinion, has one of the best user interface. Really nice and smooth, nice looking TV guide. Does have the live tiles. The main area is going to show you all the upcoming shows. Just a great job overall with YouTube TV. And I think this is a standard when it comes to modern UI. Hulu Plus Live TV is a great UI as well. It is integrated with Hulu On Demand, but the navigation at times can be somewhat busy. But overall, I think it's a nice place to be. TV guide is decent, but nothing special about it. Fubo also has a decent interface, but cluttered with a bunch of sports. I'm looking at it from my lens, but if you're someone who really care about sports a lot, this might be the best one for your eyes. As far as Sling, it does have a basic UI, some customization, but it can feel clumsy as well as confusing at times. DirecTV Stream does have a traditional cable-like UI. I do feel like it's a great place to be, and I feel like it can use some update. So as far as the scores, I gave YouTube TV a 9 out of 10, Hulu Plus Live TV 8 out of 10, Fubo also gave an 8, Sling TV I gave a 6, and DirecTV Stream I gave a 7. Again, this is looking from my lens, but let me know in the comments if you disagree. So let's jump into the cloud DVR comparison. So this is a section that has changed over the past couple of years. The last time I did this video, there was one clear winner, but now it looks like everyone else is pretty much caught up. So as far as the cloud DVR, YouTube TV is going to have unlimited DVR and stores your recordings for up to 9 months. Hulu Plus Live TV also has unlimited DVR, but the ad skipping requires premium add-on. As Fubo Live TV is going to have unlimited DVR and also stores your content for up to 9 months. Sling TV has 50 hours of free DVR, but you can upgrade to 200 hours at an additional cost. And last but not least, DirecTV Stream is going to have unlimited DVR, and it also expires after 9 months. So this one is pretty straightforward. 4 of the 5 streaming services are going to have unlimited and store your content for up to 9 months. So I gave YouTube TV, Hulu, Fubo, as well as DirecTV Stream a 9 out of 10, and for Sling TV I gave it a 5 out of 10. 4-way tie here for DVR capacity. In the last section, we're talking about the simultaneous streams as well as user profiles. So for this, if you're someone who has a lot of folks in your household that streams on the go, this is very important because you don't want to be restricted by how many people can watch at the same time. So let's start off with YouTube TV. So with YouTube TV, you can have up to 6 user profiles under one YouTube TV account. However, the number of streams are limited to 3 streams per account. So we can have a ton of users, but only 3 can stream at the same time. Hulu Plus Live TV is going to give you 2 streams, and it also offers a limited at-home stream for an extra fee. Fubo TV gives you 10 streams at home, but only 2 on the go. So keep that in mind, but I think that's generous because most of the time folks will be at home when they're streaming. But let me know your thoughts on that. Sling TV is going to offer 1 to 4 streams, and this is all dependent on the packages. So again, you're going to have the Sling Orange, the Sling Blue, and the Sling Orange Plus Blue, and the Orange Plus Blue. You then have the option for the additional streams. DirecTV Stream is going to give you 3 streams, but at home it's going to be unlimited. So as far as the scores, for YouTube TV, I gave it 8 out of 10. Hulu Plus Live TV gave it a 7 out of 10 just because it only offers 2. Fubo, I gave a 9 out of 10 with 10 streams at home, 2 on the go. This is pretty much going to cover you wherever you go. For Sling TV, I gave it a 6 out of 10. Again, just depending on your package, you might be limited to 1 stream. And DirecTV Stream also gave a 9 out of 10 just because it gives you 3 streams, but it gives you unlimited streams at home. So the winner for this one, I picked this Fubo TV for the most generous streaming limits. So let's wrap up the winners for each section. So price and free trial, we gave the Sling TV for its affordability. For channel lineup, it was a draw between Hulu, YouTube TV, as well as DirecTV Stream. For the user interface, we gave it to YouTube TV just because it's clean and modern. DVR was also a tie between 4 or 5, minus Sling of course, and the streams and user profiles gave it to Fubo because they have the most generous streaming limits. So let's tally up the numbers, and we'll start with the lowest score and work our way up to an eventual winner. So the lowest score is going to be Sling TV. I think just a lot of different factors made Sling the lowest scored on this list. Big thing that stands out for Sling, of course, is the price, but we found limitations, the channel lineup, as well as the DVR offering. Next one is going to be DirecTV Stream. It is a good streaming service. However, it's priced higher than all the other services on here, and for the price, it's just hard to find that justification. Next one eliminated was Hulu Plus Live TV. This is a great all-around service, in my opinion. With the Hulu library, I think that's an added plus, but I just think there's nothing that stood out with Hulu. This is why it kind of stayed right there in the middle area. That's why it's 3rd on the list. So the last 2 are Fubo Plus Live TV and YouTube TV, and this was really a close one, guys. Fubo really stepped their games up. However, YouTube TV scored a 42 and Fubo scored a 41. So why did YouTube TV win this comparison? I think with Fubo, it's really sports heavy, guys. So if you're someone who's not into sports like that, you're gonna find that it's lacking other content. Sports gonna be overwhelming, it's gonna be everywhere, it's gonna be in your face. And I think that's one of the downfalls, as well as one of the greatest things about Fubo, depending how you look at it. YouTube TV, I believe, is more rounded. It's priced right there with Hulu plus Live TV. It does have great DVR. User interface is the best as well. Just an all-around great service. And I get it that they raised their price recently, but if you look at the other streaming services on this chart, they're also at the same price. Which streaming service do you use? Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you think I got this comparison right or not. Please be as straightforward as possible. And also, if you want me to add another category to this comparison next time, drop that in the comments as well. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.